stabilization. The orthopod is on the hunt. These aren't your average orcas. These guys are organized.
Marketing team, did you get those social media posts scheduled for the seal vibration? Aye, Captain. We even have an automated notification for all pod managers when they go live.
They use Monday.com to keep their teamwork sharp.
King Piers and Centerview. We're getting the very outer home supported. These walls that come down real quick. These 4-foot block crawl space walls. So will the dirt underneath it. We've now got the floor at the right elevation. Finished product's going to be 9 foot tall, concrete foundation wall, cinder block, concrete filled, excuse me. Footings are going to be 3 foot wide by 1 foot thick with high strength concrete, 2 rounds of rebar. We'll also concrete fill the new CMU block with concrete and rebar. What you're seeing here is we are now supporting the entire house. So when we pull this block out and the dirt underneath it, the house will stay good. So you never want to trust hydraulics for a long period of time. You always want to cut your supports at the right length and not just trust a hydraulic jack. Those are for temporary to get it in there. His vertical support, he'll measure and cut just a tad long. Engineering 101, how to stabilize a home if you're doing what we're doing. All right. Lots of dirt here. This is north brick column. I'm sorry, that was the south brick column. This is the north. This column right here is tilted about 3 inches, and we're going to straighten her back up this week. This has all come from underneath. When we took this job, it had a 4-foot dirt crawl space. And in the process of removing all this dirt, this is what we've accumulated in dirt. Concrete is set up on will call for Friday for the footings. So tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to see a lot of progress. Taking this dirt out has been time consuming, hard work. Stay tuned for all your foundation repair needs. Call me 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, keenpiers.com. Thank you.